Hi, I'm Erin. I'm an academic technology consultant here at Williams, and I'm here to show you what a meeting owl is and how to use it. So this is the meeting owl from the library. Sawyer Library has 2 meeting owls that you can check out or reserve ahead of time using their booking process. Why you would want to use a meeting owl, it's a easy plug-and-play webcam that allows you to record in 360 view. So it's really great for when you have a Zoom speaker that you want to interact with an entire class. I'll show you a little bit later about how well it does in highlighting the whole class and all of the speakers. So you'll get the box, you'll pick it up at the circ desk from Sawyer, you'll bring it to wherever you want to use it, and this is what's inside. This is the meeting owl itself. It looks like an owl when it's on. And then there are just 2 cords you need to worry about. There is the power cord, which is 2 parts, the plug and the adapter to the computer. You'll need to connect those. So they're one piece. And then a USB-C cord, which is what connects the owl to your computer. There's also a book in case you need it, but you probably will not. I'm going to put the case aside and set up the owl. There are only 2 ports on the inside of the owl. One is a rectangle and one is a square, so there is no way to get this wrong. The rectangle is for the USB-C cord. This is what connects it to your laptop. So I'll plug this in here. And then this is the power cord, it's the round one. So you plug this into the round hole. You don't have to worry too much about where you place your owl because it does have a 360-degree microphone and camera, but generally you want to put it as close to your students as you can get and a little bit up high, so right on the podium is usually perfect. You're going to need to plug in the power. And then you plug the USB-C into the USB-C port on your laptop. And that's all the hardware setup you need to do. You are ready to go now. It'll hoot at you when it's on, which is adorable. You may get a message that says allow accessory to connect. This just asks if it's okay for the owl to actually talk to your laptop and vice versa, so do say allow. So we're all set to go. If you want students to be able to see the presenter, you're going to want to also make sure that your laptop is connected to the AV system. So you plug another USB-C port. If you only have one on your computer, you may need to bring a USB-C adapter just to have 2 available. And you can see now my desktop is up on the screen. So anything that I put on here, I can put up there so that the students can see it as well. The best way to test out your meeting owl to make sure that it's going to work in Zoom is just by opening a fake Zoom meeting. So I'm going to go to New Meeting, and this is how you configure it. There's 2 configuration settings that you need to worry about. One is the audio, and one is the video. So the audio is over here on the left. For the microphone, you want to make sure that it's the meeting owl that's selected. The speaker is going to vary according to your preferences. Usually you're going to want to use the room speakers, which are usually at Williams the Extron speakers. And then on the camera, right now you can see on my screen, it's just my regular laptop camera that's going, so we want the meeting owl camera. So now you can see that my view here has changed. Now the video is coming from the meeting owl. I'm going to start the meeting. You don't have to, but it just makes it bigger so it's easier to see. So this is what the meeting owl looks like. Up across the top of the screen here, you have the 360 view. So this goes all the way around the classroom. You'll be able to see everything that's in it. And then this bigger area here will highlight what the owl detects as the main attraction in the classroom. So since I'm speaking, I'm right here according to the owl, so it's looking at me, it's focused in on me. And here's my lovely assistant, Jim. And Gerald, can you wave too?
I'm here too. Hello.
Okay, Gerald's actually the one thing and you can't see in the classroom because he's behind the monitor. But Gerald, can you actually walk over there and talk?
Okay. I am happy to move around
So
and
there's this,
speak.
yep, so there's a short lag. Oh, keep talking, Gerald.
Okay, I'm still here. Hello, Owl.
Yep, so you can see the owl detected that Gerald was talking and it focused in on him. Since he's no longer talking and I am, he'll probably not be on the camera for very much longer, but that's okay. If he talks again, it'll stay on him. So this is nice when you're in a classroom and you're having a speaker that is going to be interacting with multiple students. Whichever student is speaking, the owl will highlight them automatically. When you start your Zoom meeting, this will be what the other presenter sees as you. They will see this whole thing. And just so it's not distracting for you, it will go down to the small little inset window and you'll see them when they connect. Right now, only I can see this, but I will try to drag it up to the alternate thing. If you're mirroring your screen, you won't need to worry about this, but I have an extended screen. So now my students will be able to see the other speaker, anything that I share on Zoom, just like any other Zoom meeting. But the speaker now can see both the classroom as a whole and easily without you having to worry about it, whoever is talking at any given minute. So that's the Meeting Owl. It's very simple, it's very easy, but if you run into any issues, we're always here to help you. You can contact your own academic technology consultant for your department. You can email or start a ticket through OIT Tech Help. Or if you're in the classroom and you need some immediate service, Media Services is always there for you. You can give them a quick call at 2112.